I'm here at the most exciting gourmet food and wine festival in South Florida. This is the 8th annual Gridiron Grill-Off, a charity event with over 20 Miami Dolphins players and their favorite chefs, and they're going head to head. Now the stakes are high, the challenge is on, and the competition is on fire. Go long! Stay tuned for more Food Quest. We're here at Cafe Max in Pompano Beach, Florida, and I'm with Chef Oliver Saucy. Hello.
How are you? Nice to see you. Thank you very much.
So what do you have today?
Fantasy time in Las Vegas, when all that's glamorous and exotic can be seen on the casino stages. While some of the newer hotels are filling their showrooms with family entertainment, there's still plenty of the traditional Vegas reviews that leave little to the imagination. What does it take to be a showgirl? A beautiful face? A great body? Try good coordination. If you think you'd like to sell all your worldly possessions and get away from the daily grind of a 9-to-5 job, then this next story may give you a few ideas. All you need to do is find a small deserted island, plant a few thousand palm trees, and build a remote hideaway that overlooks the crystal blue waters of the Caribbean. Barry Nolan travels to Palm Island in the Grenadines and meets the man who created his own private paradise. Coming up next, fitness expert Kathy Kaler will show us another way to make our legs look lovely with a 10-minute workout. 10 minutes, you say? It doesn't sound like a lot, but believe it or not, that's all the time you need to strengthen your entire body. Just alternate the 3 important muscle groups. First day your upper body or arms, the next day your abs, and the third day your lower body or legs. For nightlife, Lincoln Center represents the classier side of New York. It's hard to imagine that these 12 acres were once the dingy backlot used for filming the movie West Side Story. This first edition of Network New York has shown a 24-hour-a-day city, but this busy place also has moments of peace. So I leave you now with something from the Metropolitan Opera House, La Traviata. And so it's goodbye from me, Kim Alexis, until we next Network New York.
Hello, everyone. Hello. This week we pushed your limits, first physically in a fitness photo shoot, and then mentally to overcome your fears in the elimination challenge. Based on both of these photos, one of you will be eliminated from the competition. At stake, our prize package, a modeling contract with Wilhelmina Models, a photo spread in Self magazine, and $100,000.
An island getaway like no other, Captiva Island, once home to pirates, is now an oasis filled with sun and sand.